All right, once again, it's time for another quiz. Let's see if you have been really paying attention to this tutorial. So here's the first question. What are the built-in primitive types in Python? We have strings, numbers, and booleans. Numbers can be integers, floats, or complex numbers. Here's the second question. We have this variable fruit set to apple. What do you think we will see on the terminal when we print fruit of 1? Well, using square brackets, we can access individual characters. The index of the first character is 0, so this expression returns the second character, which is p. What if we add a colon and -1 here? Well, using the syntax, we can slice a string. Our start index is 1, and our end index is -1, which refers to the first character from the end of the string. Now, when slicing a string, the character at the end index, or -1, is not included. So with this expression, we'll get all the characters starting from the second character, which is P, all the way until we get to E. So the result of this expression is PPL. Here's another question. What is the result of this expression? Well, this is what we call the modulus operator, and it returns the remainder of a division, which is in this case 1. And finally, the last question. What do you think we will see when we print bool of false? Well, earlier I told you about falsy values in Python. So number 0, an empty string, and the non-object, these are all falsy values. Anything that is not falsy is considered truthy. Here we have a string that has 5 characters. It doesn't matter what those characters are. This is not an empty string. So it's not falsy, it's truthy. So when we convert it using the bool function, we'll get the boolean true. And this brings us to the end of this section. In the next section, you're going to learn the fundamentals of computer programming. I hope you have enjoyed this section, and thank you for watching.